I've created the Planner Profit Hub so that you can do just that, profit off of planners. You're going to be able to resell these templates and profit. Don't just watch other people make money. Jump in, try it. We're telling you for a reason because you too can make passive income. I'm Candice Kilgore, graphic designer and brand strategist, and I'm so excited to tell you all about the Planner Profit Hub. This is a hub that's including all of my high quality, done-for-you Canva templates. These are planner templates that you are going to be able to purchase. You're going to have the PLR rights to these Canva templates, which is going to give you the option to resell these templates as your own. PLR stands for private label rights. This is going to give you the option to actually resell these Canva templates as if they are your own. You can resell these Canva templates as actual Canva templates. If you want to modify them to fit your branding, you're more than welcome to, and then you can simply resell them as templates that you created yourself. Planner templates for Canva are really in right now. As you can see, you want to purchase them yourself. You want to get in, customize them, and start making your own planners and selling them to your customers. There's so many people that want to get these templates and create planners for their customers, for themselves, for their clients. You're going to be able to jump in on this and you're going to be able to profit off of these planner templates. The global planner market is expected to grow to $1.3 billion by 2028. So there is massive room to grow. You're in the right market. According to LinkedIn, business planners and ADHD planners were listed as some of the top digital products to sell in 2024. If you go into places like Etsy, you're going to see so many different planner listings there. You can get in on this money. With the Resell license that I'm giving you, you're going to be able to start selling professionally designed Canva templates right away. So listen, if you are a busy solopreneur and you just do not have the time to spend hours and hours and hours designing your own professionally designed Canva templates, don't worry, I've taken care of all of it for you. You're going to get several professionally designed Canva templates that are already done for you that you can start reselling right away. If you want to customize them to fit your branding, you're more than welcome to. If you want to keep them as is, you're more than welcome to do that also. Okay, so if you decide to choose the option, the no resell rights options, then that means just that. You cannot resell these Canva templates as Canva templates. You cannot resell them to clients and advertise, hey, these are Canva templates that you can download and modify, okay? Now, what you can do with the no resell rights option is you can create end products. So you can create an end product for yourself, or you can create an end product for your client. What that means is you can take the template, you can go in, you can modify it, then you can download it as a PDF, you can upload it to Amazon KDP and resell it as an actual printed planner. Or you can go onto Etsy and upload it as a digital planner. So you can create end products that you can sell, but again, with the no resell rights option, you cannot resell these as Canva templates. So you can't advertise, hey, I have these Canva templates that you can purchase for me, and you're going to be able to go into the Canva template, modify it, and use it as your own. You don't have that option with the no resell rights option. Okay, now if you do choose the resell option, the option that gives you the private label rights, then you can resell these as Canva templates and you are able to profit off of these Canva templates. So with the private label rights, again, you're able to rebrand and sell these templates as your own. You can modify them, make any changes necessary to fit your business needs, and you can sell them as Canva templates. Now, this is a really great option because pretty much with this option, you can do anything that you want with them. You have the private label rights. Go for it. Do whatever you need. You can make end products for yourself or your clients. And again, you can resell these as Canva templates and profit off of those templates. So the thing that I love about Canva is that it's so easy. Once you get in and you start playing around and you learn the platform, it becomes really easy for you to jump in, make a few modifications, and go. Canva is super easy, and I'm excited for you because you can go ahead, purchase these templates, modify them if you want to. You don't have to, but you can start reselling them as your own Canva templates right away. So if any updates are ever made to those planner templates, right inside of the Planner Profit Hub, you'll always have access to the links so that any updates that have been made, you're going to have access to them. Okay, so I want to show you a few planners that I actually created from my own templates. So starting here, this, I uploaded it to Amazon KDP, and the quality is great. I truly love the quality. And I do like to go with the matte cover. So they have a matte or glossy, and I always like to choose the matte option. This is, it's a little dusty. The matte does get dusty sometimes. Okay, this is my absolute favorite. This is my Big Goals Book Planner. I'm trying to get it in focus here. But this I created from one of my Canva templates. And as you can see, the quality is great. Okay, so here's front. And then here's back. This is hardcover. Right now, Amazon gives you the option to do hardcover, or sorry, something's floating around. So right now, Amazon does give you the option to do hardcover or paperback. So this one is paper or hardcover, and I really like it. And this one was paperback. So those are just a few. I have more, but I don't know where they are right now. So you may ask, can I sell these templates on my website? And the answer is yes. You will have full commercial use to resell these templates on your website, your social media platforms, whatever platforms you're looking to sell on, you will have that option. So listen, if you're like many out there looking for ways to just bring in some more moolah to make some more money, then digital products is absolutely a great way to go. It's in high demand. People need these. It's making people's lives easier, and you can help to make their lives easier, and you can profit off it as well. So I have been selling Canva templates for about, I don't know, I guess 3 years now. And when I tell you, it has upped my income, and it feels great to have passive income coming in. I am a single mom. I have been for several years, and this has allowed me and my children to truly flourish and live the life that I desire. So I'm not trying to sell you on anything, okay? There is a lot of work that you have to put into it, but once you put in that work, you get that system going, then you're going to be able to go to sleep and wake up to sales. My heart has always been to be able to help entrepreneurs, to help moms like myself, to just help people in general make extra income by sharing the knowledge that I have, okay? I am a lifelong learner. I just love learning daily. I love trying new things. I love exploring. And I love that I have the ability to learn these things, share them with you guys, and hopefully impact and change your lives and help to create additional income for you. We all need income to live. Money is good. Money is a great thing because it gives us the power to live how we want, to live freely, to have more freedom, to enjoy life, to enjoy our children, to enjoy our loved ones, to enjoy our animals. Okay, extra income, it's just going to be able to give you some freedom and give you room to think, give you room to breathe, give you room to enjoy life. I do hope that you plan on stepping out there and you try it. Don't just watch other people make money. Jump in, try it. We're telling you for a reason because you too can make passive income. Thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're finding value and check out some of my other videos.